So you switched over to eBay Managed Payments and you sold an item, but where's your money? Where can you view that transaction? You used to be able to see this in PayPal, but eBay's no longer using PayPal. So how do you know what fees were taken out? Well, let's go over to the left side of your screen underneath your name and click on Account Settings. We're going to go down to Payments and click on Payment Options. And if you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'm going to be doing more of these eBay Managed Payment videos. And soon I'm going to do one talking about how eBay calculates your fees. But right here we can see what money is pending for us. And pending means a buyer's paid and it's sitting in eBay and it's waiting to hit your bank account. For me, it takes a few days for this money to reach my bank account. But here I have $11.45 pending from what a buyer had paid me. The eBay fee has already been taken out of that. And if you go down to transactions, you can see the fees that have been taken out. So I have my item here. Originally the buyer paid $13.40 for it. There was an eBay Managed Payment fee of $1.95, which leaves me with $11.45, which will be hitting my bank account in a few days. Now you'll note that shipping was not taken out of this yet. I'm going to go over how to do that here shortly. So this is a pending payment. It's underneath the pending tab, just meaning it has not hit my bank account yet. If we go underneath the payout tabs, this is where you'll see the money that's already hit your bank account, the transactions that have already gone through. You can view more transaction details on each of these items. You can see how much money hit your bank account. You can see what the item was that sold and the cost of the fees that were taken out of that item. So if I go back to my payment options and I'm looking at this $11.45 pending again, and I'm going to show you how you can take your shipping out of that amount. So in a new tab, I have open a shipping label, and I'm going to just fill this out like normal, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my screen. So I'm going to scroll down to select how to pay, and I'm no longer using PayPal to pay for this, so I'm going to choose change to pending payouts. And then I'm going to select your pending payouts. And that money will come out of the $11.45 that I showed you in my account. So remember $4.57, and we'll see that later in a transaction. So I'm going to set up payments. Went through, I got my shipping label. So if I go back and look at this transaction now, you'll notice that $4.57 was taken out of that $11.45, leaving me with $6.88. So now it will be $6.88 that hits my bank account. I can see the shipping transaction here. It took out the $4.57. If this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more eBay Managed Payment videos and other ways to make money with the skills and tools you already have. Feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you, and I'll catch you all in my next video.